Hello everyone, my name is Jamila and today I will be talking about PRF and PRP injections. What if I told you that there's one procedure that can reset you to your 18-year-old self? It can cure your back, knee, or hip pain, it can vanish your scars, smoothen your wrinkles, make your hair grow lush hair again, and even restore fertility, no matter your age. What if I told you that this procedure can fix all of those ailments without surgery, without pharmaceuticals, and with very minimal risk? I, as a biology student, was very skeptical when I first heard of it, but I did my thorough research and I'm ready to present to you now PRF and PRP injections. Now you're probably asking yourself, what is PRF and PRP? PRP is platelet-rich plasma, PRF is platelet-rich fibrin, and I will be using these terms interchangeably throughout this presentation. The PRP is the original technology, while PRF is the second generation. So when you take whole blood and put it in a centrifuge, it will divide into three parts. It will have the plasma on top, the white blood cells and the platelets that we're so interested in the middle, and the red blood cells in the bottom. Now, fibrin and platelets are used in the body for hemostasis, which is the body's effort to stop blood loss, for example, when you cut yourself. And together, when they combine, they form a hemostatic plug or clot, as you can see in the picture on the left in the middle. But what exactly is inside of PRP? What makes it so magical? So on one hand, you have the plasma. It has the fibrin matrix, which is basically a mesh that creates, that fixes the injury or the hole. And on the other side, you have the activated platelets that contain, for example, growth factors, which are so crucial for the regeneration of tissue and the growth of tissue. It also has different compounds that are important for cell communication and immune response. And it also has transcription factors that could up or down regulate genes that are involved in the inflammatory response, for example. So all in all, it is a really potent concoction, and it's very, very concentrated. So enough of the nerdy stuff. Let me show you how it can actually help you. It all started with maxillofacial surgery. It was used in dental implants as bone graft and for hard and soft tissue regeneration. Lately, it's been used in orthopedics. A lot of elite athletes use this technology. It helps incredibly against osteoarthritis, carpal tunnel syndrome, hernia. So it can actually avoid hip replacement for a lot of people. Basically anything involved with tendon, joint, bone, muscle degeneration could potentially be fixed. It has also been increasingly popular in aesthetic surgery. Both men and women alike use it against hair loss quite successfully, against scarring, and when used as a filler, it can smoothen wrinkles. Very incredibly, it can also restore fertility. It can fix ovarian dysfunction. It can actually make women past menopause get pregnant again and produce new eggs. It can also help thicken the endometrium so that the egg can implant itself more successfully. And it could potentially also reverse male infertility, but this is in the beginning stages of research. So this is all pretty impressive, but even more impressive is how simple, quick, and non-invasive the procedure is. And I would like to show you this video. So first, blood is drawn, and the next step is the centrifuge. So you centrifuge it and you receive a clear 2 layers. There is a third one here in the middle, which is the platelet-rich layer that we are looking for. We will extract those top 2 layers and discard the red blood cells. Put it in the centrifuge again to receive pure PRP. So once we receive the pure PRP, we can inject it into the site. So for example, here it's injected into the scalp against hair loss. Here we can see it is injected into the joint in a case of tennis elbow, and the doctor is using an ultrasound for that. And here it might look a little bit disgusting, but this is on top, this is the fibrin clot, and here on the bottom is the blood clot. So the fibrin clot can be used as a tissue replacement. It absorbs pretty well into our body because it is our own biomaterial, and it is used predominantly in maxillofacial surgery. Now, I don't know about you, but I was left speechless by this incredible technology, and I first learned about PRP from a friend, a professional golfer on the LPGA, who went from getting surgery on her spine and not being able to walk to playing golf and running again. It really changed her life, and I hope that it can potentially change your life too, without surgery, without pharmaceuticals, and with minimal risk. Thank you.